If you're experiencing a black screen when opening Spotify on your PC, here's how you can fix it. First, open the Windows search bar and type Spotify. Right-click on Spotify from the search results and select App Settings. On the App Settings page, scroll down until you find the Reset option. Click Reset, then confirm by clicking Reset again. This will restore Spotify's settings and remove any corrupted app data that may be causing the issue. Once the reset is complete, open the search bar again, type Spotify, right-click the app and select Uninstall. Confirm the removal when prompted. After Spotify has been completely removed from your computer, open the Microsoft Store and search for Spotify. Click Get or Install to download the latest version of the app. Once the installation is finished, launch Spotify and check if the black screen issue has been resolved. In most cases, resetting and reinstalling the app fixes black screen problems caused by corrupted files or installation issues. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials.